Hey guys, in my ownership of a Mercedes-Benz automobile, probably the most frustrating thing I've found is simply replacing the batteries in the Smartkey. Now this is an older model Smartkey. I've got a 2008 model CLS 550. There are a few different variations of the key. This particular one has a little section that will slide out to reveal a carriage holding the two batteries. So what you'll need in order to do the battery replacement is a couple of replacement batteries. These are 20-25 size batteries, the key, and a little bit of time. Now in my history, I've been extremely frustrated each and every time I've had to figure out how to open the key. There's a blade key or a skeleton key within the master key, and there's a little sliding lever here. If you slide that open, the key will somebody eject, and then you can remove it. I'll show you again. Slide lever, and that little blade or skeleton key comes out. And every time I've had to replace the batteries, I've taken this key and I've jammed it in and I've poked it and I've torqued it and I've, just to try to get the damn thing open. And it's never worked out properly. So I found out a way that it works for me. Hopefully this will help you. If you encounter this video and get you a result, then I will have achieved my goal. So you take the key here, you look at the little slot left from the key's removal. There's this little depression here at the bottom, a little indentation. So with that facing down, take the key and insert it and push it in. And then you're going to want to get your maybe thumbnail right below the little edge here. So as you push it in, you're going to want to slide out and slide away from the carriage. I don't have much in the way of fingernails. There you go. And there you'll see the batteries contained on that carriage. Let me reinsert it again and I'll show you. And then I'll explain the mechanism which made all the difference to me. Take that key with a little notch downward, push the key in the notch toward the top, push it, and then get a thumbnail. Oops. And well, there we go. Now the biggest secret here to trying to figure this out is that there's a little notch, or this little mechanism here that engages with the case or the shell of the key, which is what locks it in. And if I use this envelope here for contrast, you'll see that little triangular piece. And as you push the key in, it retracts. And that's basically what you're trying to do. Retract that so it disengages with the shell, and then slide the carriage containing the batteries out. That's what it is. That's what you're trying to do. That's what's happening. All right. Now with the hard part done, simply remove the old batteries, slide them out carefully. Don't drop it on the floor like I did. Take your new batteries, positive side up, slide it under the retaining clip, number 1, number 2, and then I'm going to go ahead and insert that back in the case. And there you go. Then take your blade key and place it back in the notch as well till it clicks in. And there you go. And all you're going to do is just check and verify the batteries are good, try the unlocking mechanisms, and make sure you're good. And that's all it is. Hopefully that helps you. And it makes sense now how this mechanism works. Thanks for watching.